Now come to the B part. Answer these questions. Let's discuss them first. After discussion, you try them in your rough notebook. The first question is, why does the speaker say that the boat is uselessly laden with jute? Why does the boy say that it is uselessly laden? The child is dreaming. He lives in a fairy land. He thinks that the boat is only for moving to the fairy land or for any other adventurous purpose. It is just for fun. He doesn't understand the importance of business also. He doesn't know that the boat is used for ferrying goods from one place to another. Ferrying means taking things from one place to another. Now come to the second question. What preparations does the speaker need to make before setting sail? Well, the speaker needs 100 oars in the boat and 5-6 sails, and he wants his friend Ashu to join him as a companion. He doesn't know that 100 oars are not required, only 2 oars are required to sail the boat. Now come to the third question. When will the speaker set sail? As we all have read the poem very nicely, and you all must have understood it as well. When he wants to start his journey? In the early morning, obviously, as I have explained in the poem, because the journey is long, he thinks that he will take time. So he wants to start his journey in the early morning. Now come to the fourth question. Where does the speaker think he will be at noon? Now the child is trying to be smart enough. He is planning his journey. He is deciding the time of the journey as well. He is imagining at noon where would he reach. He thinks that by noon he will be in the land of strange king. That's it. Fifth question. How long does the speaker think this journey will take? Pick the lines from the poem to support your answer. How long does a child think that he will take? The speaker thinks that the journey will take the full day. He will return home by the evening, obviously, because he is saying it to mother. You remember? Mother, don't be worried about me. I will return home before sunset. I will not take as long time as God Ram took of 14 years. So, these are your answers. Now you have to write these answers in your rough notebook first.